Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Kingo. In today's video, we're diving into the best RJ45 crimping tool, a versatile solution for all your networking needs. Whether you're a professional installer or a DIY enthusiast, this tool promises to make your networking projects smoother and more efficient. Stay with us for all the product details. Let's get started. Product features. Pass-through technology. One of the standout features of this RJ45 crimping tool is its pass-through technology. This innovation allows you to cut and crimp cables in one go, providing a seamless experience when working with Cat6, Cat5e, and Cat5 connectors. You can effortlessly trim excess cable, ensuring a clean and secure crimp every time. This feature not only saves time but also enhances the overall efficiency of your networking tasks. Versatility at your fingertips. This RJ45 crimper is designed with versatility in mind. It is not just a crimping tool, it also cuts and strips cables, making it an indispensable addition to your toolkit. Whether you're crimping RJ45 connectors for Ethernet cables or handling various other networking tasks, this multifunctional tool can do it all. Its ability to tackle multiple tasks makes it perfect for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts who appreciate convenience and efficiency. Built to last. Durability is key when it comes to tools, and this RJ45 crimper excels in that regard. Crafted from high-quality materials and featuring precision craftsmanship, it is built for longevity and consistent performance. You can trust that this tool will stand up to the rigors of ongoing networking projects, providing reliable results without compromising quality. Comfortable handling. Extended use of crimping tools can often lead to hand fatigue, but this RJ45 crimper is designed to combat that issue. With its ergonomic design, it provides a comfortable grip, allowing for better control during precise wiring tasks. The design helps reduce strain on your hands, making it easier to work for extended periods without discomfort. Professional-grade performance. Whether you're a seasoned professional or someone tackling a DIY project, this RJ45 crimper delivers professional-grade performance. Its ability to provide secure crimps and ease of use makes it a reliable choice for anyone serious about networking. The manufacturer stands behind the quality of the tool with a commitment to customer satisfaction, assuring you of its reliability. Pros. The best RJ45 crimping tool stands out for its impressive array of features that cater to both professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Its efficient pass-through technology allows users to cut and crimp cables in a single motion, significantly enhancing productivity and minimizing time spent on networking tasks. This tool's versatile functionality is another notable advantage, as it adeptly handles crimping, cutting, and stripping cables, making it a true all-in-one solution for various wiring needs. Crafted from durable materials, this crimper promises long-lasting performance, ensuring it can withstand the demands of regular use without compromising quality. Additionally, the ergonomic design offers a comfortable grip that effectively reduces hand fatigue during extended working periods, making it easier to tackle intricate tasks without discomfort. Ultimately, this RJ45 crimping tool delivers professional-grade reliability, earning the trust of seasoned experts while remaining accessible for those new to the world of networking, thereby making it an essential addition to any toolkit. Cons. While the best RJ45 crimping tool offers an array of impressive features, it does come with a few drawbacks that potential users should consider. One notable con is the learning curve for beginners. Although the pass-through technology enhances efficiency, it may take some time for those new to crimping to master the tool effectively. Additionally, the crimper is primarily designed for RJ45 connectors, which means that it may not be suitable for other types of connectors without the need for additional tools, potentially limiting its versatility. Furthermore, users might find it inconvenient that no additional blades are included in the package. This means that if the blades wear out or become dull, users will have to purchase replacements separately, which could add to the overall cost of maintaining the tool. Lastly, while the multifunctional design is undoubtedly advantageous, it can make the tool feel slightly bulky, especially when compared to simpler models that are more streamlined for basic crimping tasks. These factors could influence the overall user experience, particularly for those who prioritize ease of use and portability. Final thoughts. The best RJ45 crimping tool is a standout product that combines efficiency, durability, and comfort in one versatile package. Its pass-through technology makes cutting and crimping a breeze, while its multifunctional capabilities ensure you can tackle various networking tasks with ease. Designed to withstand the test of time, this tool offers professional-grade performance that both seasoned experts and DIY enthusiasts can appreciate. Though it may take a bit of practice for beginners to master, the benefits far outweigh any learning curve. If you're looking for a reliable tool that can enhance your networking projects, this RJ45 crimper is an excellent investment. Check the price link in the description to grab yours today, and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Kingo for more insightful product reviews and updates.